Hello viewers, please watch this video attentively for those who are yet to see it. The woman you are seeing in the video is Bola Tinubu's wife, Remi, and she is a member of the Nigerian Senate. You need to hear what someone who would be a first lady of Nigeria if Tinubu becomes president says. Meanwhile, a Yoruba guy has offered some explanations on what she said. I will read that out before you watch the rest of the video. This guy wrote, I clearly understand she was simply trying to make a joke of the fact that Igbos in Lagos has risen into a formidable numerical and economic force, and undeniably these people have risen powerful enough to tip the balance against her husband, hence the mild anger, and even jokingly asking that the deities of Lagos be invoked to stop Igbos. You remember what Oba of Lagos said sometime about the lagoon, throwing Igbos into the lagoon. Meanwhile, let's continue to read further. According to this guy, he said, you may laugh this off as a joke, but clearly she just unveiled her deep-seated hatred, bigotry, and intolerance against a section of ethnic group just because of a fleeting political office, forgetting that she herself and her husband are beneficiaries of tolerance, first to her husband and once wanderer from a Rabiji, an obscure linear community in Oshun, whose fortune smile on, having sojourned in Lagos, and herself an unknown Ishekiri lady, now a wife of once Lagos new wanderer. This is according to this Yoruba guy. He said Nigeria doesn't deserve Remi. Now enjoy the rest of the video.
Gbogbo yìí ọba máa rìkọ́ọ̀dì a máa lọ gbé gbogbo àwọn òrìṣà Èkó wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní àwọn ipò tó bá wọ́n lè ní ọjà tí má rì ipò tó bá dé ti fẹ́ Yorùbá ká jogún ẹ̀ a máa jogún yín ni a máa jogún gbogbo ipò tó wà dẹ́kun yìí bọ́dí náà ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn gbogbo wa lẹ́ máa jẹ́ a máa ṣe a máa jogún yín ní agbára Jésù ìdẹ ṣe bá ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín tó ẹ̀bà ara jẹ́ àwa kan bínú ọmọ wa sísá mi tún wá lọ bímọ fún Ìgbò ṣé kí n lọ kó Obieze wa Obieze lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé olórí Obieze lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé o tún lọ mú kámẹ́rà wa lọ lé ẹ̀ ní ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé a máa jogún yín ni àwa la máa jogún yín àgọ́ wa ló máa dáàdì ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ a máa jogún yín láì ṣe pé yìí nìkan ni aráàlú Haúsá wà bí àgbà wọn láyè Kàlàbá wà bí àgbà wọn láyè ẹ wá ń bèrè pé báwo ni tí wàá ṣe jẹ́ Ọlọ́run ní.